In today's rapidly evolving world, innovation is no longer a luxury but a necessity. As an educator, I am tasked not only with mastering the knowledge of yesterday but also with guiding my students in creating the solutions of tomorrow. Over the past few years, I have had the privilege of leading projects that fosters creativity, collaboration, teamwork, and thus mentoring students in their pursuits of finding innovative solutions. This journey has been filled with challenges and triumphs, deepening my understanding of what it means to innovate and inspire others.
Hello everyone, myself Charu Dholi. I am ATL in charge and an AI educator at DLDAV Model School Pitampura, Delhi. I am a Google certified innovator and educator. Being an ATL in charge, I was selected as exemplary teacher of change and regional teacher of change by Atal Innovation Mission. I am not just only involved in designing and delivering a curriculum that covers all fundamental and advanced AI concepts. Beyond classroom instructions, I, as an ATL in charge, support students through mentorship, guiding them on project, giving them hands-on experience, and helping them navigate in their career path. From past 5 years, I have been designing and implementing engaging programs, workshops, hackathon, and competitions that encourage hands-on learning and interdisciplinary projects blended science, technology, engineering, and mathematic concept. Mentorship is a key component of this role.
I am committed to nurture a culture of creativity and critical thinking in my classroom, empowering my students to become the innovator for the future. Innovation to me is more than just inventing new technologies or coming up with groundbreaking ideas. It is the process of looking at the world's problem through a creative lens and finding practical ways to solve them. One of my most challenging yet rewarding experience came when I took the role of leading an initiative under the Atal Innovation Mission in India to promote innovation and creativity among school students. What began as a small class project quickly evolved into something much larger, and I found myself in charge of Atal Tinkering Lab. As a team leader, I had to assemble a diverse group of students from all age groups, each with their own perspective and expertise. Managing a multidisciplinary team required me to foster collaboration while keeping everyone focused on our shared goal of creating efficient solutions to solve future problems. The challenge was not just technical but was organizational, coordinating efforts, managing deadlines, and driving the project forward. Despite the hurdles, this experience strengthened my leadership skills and taught me how to guide a team through complex challenges to deliver meaningful results. The role till date is proving as an exciting journey, bringing glory along with its challenges. Securing funding for the student led innovation was a significant hurdle. However, through persistence and determination, we backed several pitch competitions that granted attention from local authorities. On leading projects, I have also contributed to student led innovation through mentorship. I had the opportunity to guide younger students through their innovation journey. The role till date is proving as an exciting journey, bringing glory along with its challenges. Securing funding for the student led innovation was a significant hurdle. However, through persistence and determination, we backed several pitch competitions that granted attention from local authorities. Our projects. My proudest moment as a mentor was seeing Team Sporty Coach as country winner under the Global AI Impact Festival and several other government recognized competitions. Not just this, my students are making me proud by bringing laurels in prestigious competitions like ATL Marathon, Tinkerpreneur, GSY Jigyasa Quiz, Seed the Future Entrepreneur, SheSTEM, and so on. With their determination and hard work, they got the opportunity to showcase their innovation to Honorable Prime Minister. as a mentor involved helping them refine their ideas, providing technical advice, and encouraging them to think critically about the feasibility of their projects. I helped them navigate the design thinking process from brainstorming to prototyping and watched as their initial idea transformed into an application or a product that was adopted. It has been rightly said that from the dawn of time, whenever humanity has wanted to know more, we have achieved it most efficiently, and not by removing ourselves from the world to ponder and theorize, but rather by getting our hands dirty and making careful observations of real stuff. In short, we have learned